Good morning. So I'm going to do a little tutorial on how to play with one of the rag tops. So first of all, I'll lay your rag top out and I'm going to do mine down the side. So you're going to take whichever side you want and just open it out. Okay. Get some cotton and a piece of thread. Nice and easy, she says, because I can't get it now. There we go. And just tie a little knot in the bottom so you can sew it. And then literally from the bottom, you can go either under or over. I prefer to start through the bottom and just sort of create a bit of a loop just to make sure that it don't come out. And all I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over, if you can see that, over and then through, and then scrunch it and over and scrunch it and through, and I am literally just going to keep doing that. As you can see, it starts to ruche for however long you want it. I'm going to go probably about halfway actually. Just keep pulling it, and the more you pull it, the more it'll ruche. So over, under, over, under, and pull it through. Nice and tight. I think I'm about done. Do one more. I do one more. I like it nice and high because it shows the Supreme Minority badge off on the back of the leggings. Then you see, this is the reasons why I like doing this. So then pull it nice and tight so you can see it's really ruched. Then, so this is where my last stitch was gone. Just double over and go underneath and just tie it off. Make sure that before you tie it off, you pull it nice and tight so that you can see the ruching on the inside as well. And I've just lost my needle. Well done, Kirsty. Just re-thread the needle. That was easier than expected. So yeah, pull it nice and tight so we can see. And then I'm just going to tie it off. So big circle, put the needle through and pull it into a knot. So if you see all that, so create a circle, put the needle through it and pull it nice and tight. And then I'll show you the rag top. So this is what it now looks like, nice and ruched. And